There has been some changes with tactical arbitrage. So they changed a lot of things with their interface. There's a lot of new things that they actually uploaded to the, I don't know, can we call this an update? Maybe, maybe not. Who cares? What we're going to do today is we're going to look at their email and I'm going to look with you guys at the new interface and what's new on tactical arbitrage, all right? If you do not know me, my name is Chris Mangunza with these daily videos right here on YouTube every single day to teach you how to sell on Amazon, okay? So if you want to get better at selling on Amazon, like this video so you get recommended more videos, subscribe. I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. I'm only at 3,000 something. Help a brother out. Let me reach my goal, okay? Yeah, let's just dive straight into, and it's not this at all. Let me refresh it. Here we go. So, upgrading tactical arbitrage, blah, blah, blah. They've been listening to the seller community, all that stuff. So there's new stuff, all right? What's new? Source for more channels, quick picks, previously quick search. So I made a video on that before. I've never used it. Now lets you instantly explore, analyze, and choose for more deals than ever. Okay, we're going to see that, okay? So quick picks, let's remember that. Dashboard is no home screen, so we do not need to know what you rename those sections, but whatever. Get to essential features in one click, making your workflow smoother and faster, blah, blah, blah. Recent search and user, okay, we're going to see that. A selection of recent deals shows fresh, profitable products. Okay. More efficient navigation. Let me judge of this, all right? And this is just the beginning. Your feedback shapes these updates. All right. All right, that's great. Let's check it out. Okay, so that's the new interface. All right. Okay. So it does look good. It does look good. I'm not going to lie. So start a product search, start a reverse search, always be scanning. Okay. Okay, then you have the seller tools and you have A2A flips. Okay, so the only way to get to always be scanning is here. All right, so quick start, find beauty products on Target. So that's a few search that they tell you you can launch right now, I guess. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. Why find vitamins on Viticus? Why not something else? Whatever. Let's keep going. So these are a couple of search that we are running right now. Okay. Looks good. Wholesale search. I haven't launched wholesale search for like more than 1 month. I haven't gotten back into wholesale. So yeah, so that's cool. The activity monitor. I mean, I'm not going to lie. I'm never going to go to that page. Because my VAs run the show on tactical arbitrage anyways, first of all. Second of all, we look at every single search, so it does not really matter to us. Yes, it looks cool, but it's useless in my opinion. Let's look at quick picks, because this can be interesting. So did they just rename this, or... Wait, what is this? Okay, that's... I guess that's interesting. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, I guess. Okay, so they give you some products, or is it some products that were scanned from some of our searches? Let me see. I have no idea. Let me see what it says. Find products without waiting for a lengthy search. Quick picks show profitable products from our database of search, so you don't need to run a full scan. I don't know about that. It kind of defeats the purpose, right? And I actually have one question about this. I don't know if anyone from Tactical Arbitrage is actually looking at my videos. Do everybody get the same products in quick picks? How does it work? Is it like always be scanning? Like what? Yeah, I don't know. You can filter by, yeah, I don't know how I feel about that. I don't really know how I feel about that. Let's look at this. Okay, last updated 2 minutes ago. What is this? Okay, it's the source website. Okay. Selling for $6, but the sales rank is too high. Let's do this. Let's do sales rank less than 100,000. Here you go. Let's do this to see. I'm just playing with the tool. If you haven't seen, if you haven't understood, I'm just literally playing with the tool to try and find some stuff. So why is it showing me a ton of unprofitable product? Let's use the filters a tiny bit more. So I don't understand. Like, it doesn't make any sense. Let's do 30% minimum. Okay, now we're talking. Target.com. So you have some brass right there. Okay. Okay, let's open a random product. We can get this for $9.99. Let's open a random product to see if it's actually interesting. I hope it's not just a bunch of mismatch or a bunch of listings where Amazon is selling, such as this one. Let's see. Okay, it's not. Okay, that's nice. $9.99. Okay, yeah. I mean, at 25, the price is, yeah, I mean, okay, yeah, the price is inflated, but if we could use the 30-day price, maybe it would be a little bit better on that, but I guess, yeah, I mean, I don't know how I feel about that. I'm going to be 100% honest, I don't know how I feel about that. Let's check this out. Because I've seen a lot of people, if you've seen my sourcing, my 10-day sourcing video, we are doing a pause right now because as you see this video, I'm literally on the plane. So I won't really have time tomorrow to shoot a video going over leads from Arbitrage Stalker, but I've seen a lot of people sourcing video games. Not this one. I haven't seen this one, but I've seen a lot of them. So yeah, I guess. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about this feature, if I'm being 100% honest. Then everything that is guided search, the product search hasn't changed, right? Yeah, it hasn't changed. I mean, the main new feature is going to be the quick picks. I don't really know how I feel about that. I'm going to be honest, I don't really know how I feel about that. Is Amazon on this? Let's try to source with that a little bit more to see where, yeah, Amazon is on it. Yeah, I guess it's just going to be a lot of trash products. Calculated profit by average price 30 days. Here we go. Let's do this. We're going to get better results. Other filter. Okay. Amazon in stock, no. Let's try these. Let's refine the search a little bit and see if we get better leads. We're going to open 5 leads randomly, and we're going to see if it's leads that we can actually buy. If one of these is going to be a lead that we can actually buy. If it's not the case, I'd rather run my own search. You know, this is not the same. I'm going to look at this. Yeah, if from these 5 products we don't have any profitable products, any products that is good enough for us to buy, I'm just going to skip it. This one is not going to count because I don't know if it's the same that we saw. Okay, because it says that it's supposed to be Amazon products where Amazon is not in stock. This feels like an IP complaint, but we're going to open it anyways. Okay, so that's for Acqua di Gio. Oh no, so it's Ocean di Gioia. Okay. The Ordinary from Beautylish. Okay, okay, so we have 5. Let's open one more from another random products, from another random website. You know what? Let's open this from iHerb. And let's check these leads. Let's see if we get some profit from these. It's in stock indeed. So we can get a 25% coupon from what I've seen. Okay, so it looks like it's actually profitable. At $7.95, okay, that's one lead. I haven't really checked if it's, yeah, it looks like it's the same. Okay, that's one lead, approved. It's not the fastest seller, but it is indeed selling. Okay, so that's good. So this one, I'm actually curious to see if, yeah, Amazon is on it, so mismatch. Let's check for this one. Amazon is on it, so fuck that. We're not going to get this. Yeah, I need to close all this. I really don't know how to feel about this feature, if I'm being 100% honest. So we get these for 37, it's a 9 Oz. Mismatch. And now, the ordinary. Out of stock. Okay, so I don't really know how to feel with this feature. I don't know. Oh, fuck, I forgot to check this out. Let's check this out. All right, 60 count. 60 count, 1588. It's to 1000 milligram, right? Yeah. Okay. So this could work. I mean, the price is inflated, but the price is indeed inflated. Like, I'm not going to lie, the price is inflated. Let's call it in 27.95. We need to find this under 14.39, which we probably can. Or may not be combined with any other offers. So maybe we can't. Okay, maybe we can't actually get it. I don't know if I would get this, but yeah, you probably cannot actually. I don't know if the 20% coupon on the welcome offer will actually work. I don't know. Worst case scenario, at this price, it's a 17% return on investment. Nah, it's not good enough. And I'm not sure that you're going to be able to sell it at this price. So yeah, I mean, I don't know how I feel about this. Maybe we need to make a full video on that. I don't know. So far, this is what we have with this feature. I mean, it looks promising. These new features looks promising. They look promising. They're not the best though, I'm not going to lie. But we'll see. We'll make a full video sourcing with these. One of these days, like we're going to make a full video sourcing with this. Looks interesting. I don't really know how to feel about that. Let me know in the comments what you guys feel about that new feature. To be honest, to be 100% honest, the home page, yeah, it was not needed. I will say that it was not needed. I don't know how to feel about that. The old one was fine in my opinion. The quick picks, I don't really know how to feel about that. I don't know. The truth is, I don't know is it the same thing as always be scanning? Is quick picks always be scanning, but with another interface, another user interface? I don't know. Like to me, it really looks like it. It's just always be scanning with another, like just, yeah, I don't know. It really feels to me as if it's just what it is. No, that's all it is, pretty much. So, yeah. That's all I have for you today. Okay. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Thank you for watching.